How to fix you can't use this feature right now problem. So if you want to fix you can't use this feature right now on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first open up your Facebook application. And if you've got any new options and on your settings, or if you've got any new feature, and if you tap and try on that feature, then it says that you can't use this feature right now because you have a Facebook error. So if you find that kind of errors, then what you need to do is first open up your Play Store, because if you've not updated the application, then application will not allow you to use the feature. So you just need to simply search for Facebook on your Play Store, and if you have any updates here, instead of this open, you will have the update. So you can simply go and update the application by tapping on the update and just wait for some time and it will be updated. And after that, you need to restart your Facebook and you can have the feature. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is check your internet connection. Then you might find that kind of problems, and if that is not the internet connection, then you can simply restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, and then here you will have restart option. Tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix can't use this feature right now. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.